Hi Mammy, this is Dennis. I'm going to give you a quick overview of your website here in this video tutorial. First thing is look at your home page, and I'm just going to scroll down here onto the home page. This area all through here, the what's happening area, is basically a text area that you can edit from your control panel. So all this text here, this picture, this header information here, this text and this link, this other header, and even this embedded YouTube video which can play, all these things are embedded into one text area, and you can change those from your control panel, and I'll have another tutorial to show you how to do that a little bit later. The other areas of the home page, and most of your other pages, will have this area. This interesting. This is basically a link to other pages that are not featured in your main menu up here. So these other pages are created in your control panel. I'll show you how to do that and to choose whether they go here or elsewhere. And then below each one of these menus on each page is a separate text area where you can do whatever you want to with it. In this particular one, I got one of your Picasso pictures and embedded it, and then I put a little header tag here, and then I put some text, and then I added a little link inside there, and then I put a quote from one of your people and made it look italicized so that information's there. So I went through most of your pages and done this, and most of your pages are laid out like this, where they have this large text area that runs down the page as far as you want to go on the left. They have a menu that's automatically generated here from what you've entered into the control panel, and then you have another text area over here that's a thin one that runs as long down the page as you want to make it. So all your pages have those particular features. They're just a little different. The Board of Directors page is kind of hardwired. You change it from your control panel. It has an area here that goes all the way down the page, and then it also has the same functions on this side as the home page. Mission statement page is basically the same functionality, the way it works. The layout's the same. You have the information here. And then the gallery page is a little bit different. It has the same stuff on this right side over here, the automatically generated items, and this area you can edit down here and make grow. But it's got a permanently embedded flash player that plays through all your Picasso albums. So this will update itself when you add a new album to Picasso. It should be in this album somewhere. It's a little hard to control, but you can click forward and backwards and stuff and go through these. And it shows all your, if you have text with your pictures, it shows that in top of these. So anyway, that's how that'll work. Just update your Picasso album and it'll automatically update the website. Same thing with your calendar page. It's got your YouTube or your Google Calendar embedded. So you just update your calendar on Google and this will automatically be updated when you do that. Contact information is just like the first couple of pages. Get over here to it. I'll go ahead and show you. Contact information is here. You can edit that from your control panel. This side of the page works just like the others. The donate page is working as well, except for the button that you sent me. I can't get it to work at all for some reason. But I went ahead and it's got the same thing, information over here that you can change from your control panel. This is automatic. This is edited from your control panel. And then you have a links page, and I've designed this a little different for you. The right side is the same as the other pages, works the same way, but this side has an area of links just like you used to have that opens new pages. And then there's a big text area down here that you can edit or add to, and I made that for you in case you have banners from somebody or pictures that somebody gives you that they want you to put on your website, to click on to get to their website. I thought you may want to use this for Google AdSense or some kind of, like you did with the Spanish thing. If somebody clicked it, you got paid. You can put that kind of stuff down here and just promote it elsewhere on your website. So you have a lot of layout things you can do. Down here at the bottom of the page is all your links again, and that's pretty much an overview of the website itself. You can get to your control panel by going to the bottom of any page and clicking on Login. It'll open a new window for you and take you to the control panel. The first thing you'll notice is video tutorials. You can watch these video tutorials here. There's several of them, and they're using other websites, but the way they function is the same as yours. So you can look through those, but I'm going to give you some exact ones and maybe refer to some of these to help you get started on your website pretty quickly. So that's the end of this tutorial, just showing you what the website consists of, and I'll go more in depth on the other stuff shortly.